The MW54, the W is right of his second, that's his second hand, but he's got
FPV'd up the Fox.
Scratch wheel, he can't block. He scratch builds all these bolt and pull things, and the big Arado, German Arado, and they had 6 of his own turbines on the top in the line. But he just, he don't fly the guy who's clogged Paxton Models. Right. But he's they're only like that, about 6 or 7 pounds across. It's got like a young suitcase, that's about 14 in a suitcase. It's just a funny one.
Alright, Kai?
I think what's happened, bud, is one of the stupid cameras is retarded.
It's alright a minute ago.
No, I think it was, but also not until we got a bit of distance. What we're going to do,
Turn one off.
take it out of 3D mode. This rock is standard for the mode, because that looks crystal clear, mate.
Cool.
All I really want to do, but won't do right now, is shift the camera over. So I take it out.
You can charge straight away, man. This ain't hold on.
It's by the car.
Hold on. Just press the button. No, don't put them on. Oh, nice.
Yes, mate, put them on.
Oh, no, don't put them on yet.
Yes,
you
mate.
do it first. I'm going to get used to it. See if it drives right.
Of course it will, boy.
How you know? How you know? Don't swear, potty mouth.
Because it's had like an extra tiny bit of...
Ready?
Go on.
Sit down, you'll be sick.
Yeah, that's fine. You can see exactly what's going on.
Can you?
Yeah.
Where am I?
You're over, sort of heading towards those weird trees. Now you're coming back towards us. Right, now, no more excuses, come on. Do it. Does it sound like you're going to crash it, is it? Like, come out.
No, because I'm filming, man.
Oh, for God's sake, Adam, you can do both.
Put them on Nick.
You can do both.
Put them on Nick.
You can do both.
No, because I won't be following it. Don't be silly. I won't be following it.
Of course you will, boy. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I'll hold your camera. Actually, we're going
then.
I didn't know what you meant. Go on. And there's even you. You're in it, mate. No. You're being looked at with the camera. Head up, bud. That's it, yeah, because these are shitty antennas, really.
That's what's cricket.
Yes. So, head to us now. It looks well funny. Hey, slow down for a second. Stop it for a sec. It looks like Johnny 5.
Yeah, I know it does. I'm trying to think of what it was. It's got the eyes.
That's it, man. You got to keep your head up still, but for the time being, actually, put you quite close, it won't matter. But when the signal starts going, then try and bring your head up. Because these are shitty antennas. If I'd have thought ahead, I'd have brought a bunch of clover leaves or something. Clover.
Oh, mate, it's well quick. Plenty quick enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, give it some beans then. Can you see what's going on?
Yeah.
Go over the other off then, yeah. It's got to look cool.
Whoa, signal. Signal. There it is. Yeah, they do. Signal.
Yeah, I hate these antennas, man.
Here it comes. Oh!
You lady.
Sorry.
It's alright. You're good to go. That's alright, go over there, record it. See if you can see him going up.
Get him in the vid as well. Where is he? Oh yeah.
Even for yourself, so just keep this side of him, obviously. He's keeping away from you. He's trying to see if he can see you taking off. Turn right, quick. Go, fire chase him. Ah! Did you see him at all?
Yeah, it might be because of the funny grass. Yeah, fraction.
Yeah, it's getting up a lot quicker now. Mate, what you're doing is chuck this camera to that. Get some HD chucking it around footage. Did you go past your shoe?
Yeah. Comes and goes, the old signal.
Yeah, they're shitty, man. I could easily swap it for clover leaves now, actually, if we're using just one channel. Thinking about it. Thinking about it, man.
It's so weird going round us. It's so weird because you can hear it, but you can't see it.
I'll swap the antennas in a minute, because now we're not doing 3D, it don't matter.
Really cool class, isn't it?
No, I'll do the next one, man. Because I'll get the bloody hell, it's a can of Coke.
Oh yeah, I did.
Mate, what you want to do
I wonder what that was.
when it's all gone quiet a bit up there and shit, man, let's get up there with the car and FPV around the actual top of the jump and back down again.
Don't dusty in it though. And get your camera all plugged up with shit.
Still got a signal over there?
Just. Come back.
That's it, you can.
Coming back?
Yeah.
Keep going straight?
Yeah, totally.
I see, I've lost signal.
Totally see you going straight.
Totally lost signal.
That's because you're probably behind Jay. Keep going.
Where is it? Here it comes.
You got a signal now?
Coming back, just.
Yeah.
Where is it?
That's it, keep going. You're heading slowly, very, very slowly towards everyone. Keep going.
Oh yeah, here we go.
That's it, you're going.
Got it.
That's always listen by that.
Yeah, it's rough. In and out, guys.
Yeah, I'll swap them around in a minute. Can you imagine having to use them for planes?
Get the MiG in this camera.
Why do I even come with?
Get the MiG in the video because this is probably pretty boring. Just watch me doing this crap.
I think you'll be able to see the MiG at the moment, mate. He's pretty high. Yeah, he's like up there. I'll just get your face really close.
No, don't do that.
Right in your nose.
No, that is definitely
Nice, you're seeing a million parts. Save the battery if you want, man. I'll change antennas in a minute.
Yeah, cool, man. It's a bit. It's irritating, it's coming and going.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh, can.
Oh, it's glug.
Knock it over?
Glug, yeah.
Oh, quick.
Coming in.
Love it.
Classic shit right there.
Good shot.
Oh, man.